It was awesome. It was probably better than I thought in the sense that my brain didn't get clogged up. Does that make sense? There was enough information but not too much. So it was really good.
Expectations was probably, I didn't know what to expect, but I think it was pretty good, yes.
It was more than my expectations. The teachers are really amazing.
Oh, just that they're so easy to talk to. That was that. I mean, they're so easy to understand. They explain things really well, but just the rapport was fantastic.
They were awesome, yeah. It's interesting to see how you do it all, but it was very good, thank you.
You learn so much just for yourself, but it's always also a pathway to more learning and having your own business if you want to.
I certainly would, yes, absolutely. Just for personal development, if for nothing else.
Well, I learned stuff that I have never learnt before, whereas lots of other training, we're just hashing over things. So it just new and exciting.
Very intense and very hands-on. So yeah, probably in a good space, yeah, more than some other ones are not as intense as this one, but it's good to do it.
I would give it 10. I'd have to give it 10. If we were going to get picky, maybe 9, but 10. I really can't see why there would be anything less than 10.
I don't know, what do you think? Shall I go 1-0?
Brilliant, exciting and informative.
Really awesome, well done.
How much I learned in such a short amount of time.
The knowledge and the expertise of the trainers.